Okay? So, A, B, C. Yan. So, which one is bubble, selection, insertion? Okay? So, which one? Is it A, B, or C? A is what? Yung bubble na lang, mas madali. Asan ang bubble sort? Which one? Bubble sort, the easiest one. B. B for bubble. Bubble sort. Okay. What about A? Yun na lang, selection and insertion. Asan sa dalawa? A or C? C or A? Asan? Which one? Selection, insertion. Or you forgot how selection, insertion works. Nakalimutan na. Selection, insertion. Selection. Okay. So, selection, this is how selection works. Yan. So, we have 5 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So, selection is you're going to search for the smallest. Isa-isa mo yan. Compare the two with this one. Okay, the smallest is 2. Compare the two again with 1. So we have a new smallest. Compare 1 with 5. No. Compare 1 with 3. No. So once you have the smallest, you swap. Okay, so the results now 1, 4, 2, 5, 3. Okay? 1, 4, 2, 5, 3. So you will not touch this element anymore because currently this is the smallest. You already found the smallest sa list and place it sa first element. So the next thing to do is compare 4 sa 2. So we now have the smallest. Compare 2 sa 5, no. Compare 2 sa 3, no. So 2 is the smallest. Okay, what do you do with the 2? Swap it sa 4. So you will no longer touch 1 and 2. Okay, next, look for the smallest. Repeatedly, again. Okay, so that's selection sort. So which one is selection sort? A or C? C. C. Tingnan natin ang C. Okay, maklaro? Kasi tingnan ang code. Okay, if you look at the code, we have here key. Okay, key. So the key is selection. That's not selection. Yung C. C is, ako na rin answer, insertion. Insertion ng C. Selection is A. Okay? Ayan, let's look at the code. So if you look at the code, this is selection sort. Okay, isa-isay natin na. So if you look at the code, we're going to assume that the first element, ito yung I, di ba ang I is 0? So 64 ang minimum index. Okay, what do we do with the minimum index? We compare it with J, which is the current value of I, okay, which is I is 64 din. Plus 1 din pala, plus 1. So I plus 1 is 25. So J is 25, and plus 1 ang J, I plus 1, so J 25. So you're going to compare the value of J, which is this one, array J, ito yung array J, 25. Compare it with 64. Okay, di ba? Yan. So, since array J, okay, which is 25, is less than, okay, less than 64. So meaning this condition is true. So what do we do with the value of minimum index? Currently, the minimum index is 64, diba? Because of this, we now change it to 25. So 25 na ang minimum index. Okay, we're going to keep repeating this. Inuulit natin yan. Okay, so what happens now is, this is 25, and ang j natin, increment na naman. Okay, so it will increment. Maging 12 si j, maging 22 si j, maging 11 si j. So once 11 is value of j, we found the minimum, which is the smallest 11. So what do we do with the 11, itong minimum index? We assign it, itong 11, sa array, which is I. What is the value of I? The value of I here is 0. Okay? Yan. Hindi nagpalit ang value ng I. The value of I is still 0 because this is still inside the outer loop. Okay? So, ang value ng I hindi pa nag-plus 1. Ang gina-plus 1 lang natin dito is ang value of J. Okay? So, 64, isa-swap natin sa 11. So, maging 11 dito, 64 dyan. Okay? That is insertion sort. So, that is letter A, insertion. Okay, what about this one? This is automatically, selection pala, selection. Selection sort. Will be discussed ko yan. Okay, selection A. Okay, what about this one? This one is automatically insertion. Yan. So, how does insertion work? Yan, C, insertion. Okay, sa insertion natin, same thing. Okay, insertion. Insertion naman. Okay, review lang niya namin. Construct ng insertion. So, sa insertion, we have compare these two. Okay? So, since 2 is, 4 is not smaller, we proceed. Okay? Compare these two. So, 1 is smaller. So, since 1 is smaller, swap. Compare these two. 1 is smaller, swap. Oh yes, 1 dito. Yan. Okay, ganyan din siya. Ito. Okay, ganyan. Okay, so you keep on doing that. 2 and 4, 4 and 5, 5 and 3. So 3 is smaller than 5. 3 is smaller than 4. Now, that's not smaller, so it's basically self-insertion. So if you look at the code here, okay, if you look at the code, we have a key. So what is the key? The key is the second element 25. Okay, so key here is the array I. Array I is 1. So, but it did not start as 0, it started as 1. So the key is 25. Okay, what do we do with the key? Press sa baba. If you look here below, okay, you compare the value of j, which is I minus 1. The current value of I is 1 minus 1, so j is 0. Okay, so Raj is 64. Okay, and then the key is 25. Okay, so what you will do now is you compare. Okay, yan, compare man yan. So, we're not going to stop iterating until the value here is not, or the value here is not greater. Okay, kasi it's greater. So, if it's not greater, that's the time we stop. Okay, that's our condition here sa while loop. So, since 64 is greater than 25, we swap. Okay, swap niya itong j sa j plus 1. Okay, so mag-swap yan. And then, increment j. So, it will keep on doing this until the smallest number is nasa left. So 25, 64, 12, 25, 64, 12, tapos 12 mapunta dito, 25 dyan. Tapos 12, 64, 25, so on and so forth. Okay, it's an iteration. It will keep on doing that. Okay, and then at the end of this loop, it will assign the key sa correct element. Okay, this is our insertion sort. Yeah. So as you can see here, we have 3 sorting algorithms. Okay, we have 3 sorting algorithms. So each of these algorithm, or all of them, okay, are given a time complexity of order of n squared. Order of n squared yan sila. Okay, so why? Since our n is the number of elements, which is 5, okay, 5 yung elements natin, okay, 5. Okay, 5 times 5, kasi 5 squared na yan. Okay, we have 25. Okay, 25. So why? Why is this 25? Because that is how many times we perform iteration. Okay, for example, bubble sort. Yan. Okay, bubble sort natin yan. So this is not exact. Okay, some sorting technique may be lower than 25. This is the worst case. Okay, 25 yung worst case. So if you perform a bubble sort, if you look at this, bubble sort, okay, you compare this to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, first iteration. And then balikan na naman. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second iteration. Okay, and then sunod-sunod yan siya. So you're going to do that 5 times. 5 times. For every iteration, you are comparing values 5 times again. So 5 times we compare 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pala. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 comparison. And then you're going to do this 4 comparison 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 times. Okay, so that is 4 times 5. And so 5 number of elements squared. Okay, so it's close. Diba? 4 times 5, 21. So it's close. So it will not show an exact value. Hindi siya exact. Okay? Same with insertion sort. Okay, insertion sort naman. Sa selection sort muna. Sa selection sort, okay, you're going to look for the largest number. Diba? 2 and 4, compare. Smallest is 2. 1, ano na yun? 1 comparison. Okay, 2 i-compare sa 1, 1 is smaller. 2 comparison. Okay, tapos 1 sa 5, 1 sa 3, ganyan. And then after that, you repeat. Diba, you repeat again. Nalagay na yung 1 dito. Okay, 4, 2, 5, 3. So you don't touch 1 anymore. So ulitin mo na naman. Look for the smallest. 2, 5, 3. Okay, you repeat it 5 times. Because that's the number of elements. So in this case, we look for how many times we compare numbers. That's the amount of work being done. So sa time complexity, we measure the amount of work. Okay? Yan. So in this case, all 3 algorithms is O(n) squared. Even if it shows 25, supposed to be 25 comparisons dapat, it's not exact because different algorithms show different ways in comparing values. Okay, di ba? Yan. But roughly, it's less than this. Hindi dapat mo exceed, hindi mo lapas ba? Okay, 25. So how do we count, okay, the number of iterations sa bubble sort? Okay, how do we count the number of iterations? Yan. Okay, this is bubble sort. Yan. Okay? Yan, sorted. So how do we count the number of iterations? Okay, magbaba. Yan. How do we count the number of iterations? Okay, we place a counter. Yan. So we place a counter. Where do we place a counter? We place a counter during comparison. Okay? Yan. We place a counter during comparison. Yan. Okay? So how many times did you compare two elements? Okay, only if it's true. So dito natin ilagay. Kasi after this, we compare. Yan. Okay, dito natin ilagay. So, whether true or false, whether this is true or false, we are still comparing the two numbers, di ba? If 2 is less than 4, true or false, we are still incrementing the variable. So meaning, it's work. Trabaho ng computer yan, mag-compare ng numbers if it's greater than, yan. So we're counting how much work. Okay? So we're going to print. I-print natin ang value ng comparison. Okay? So the size of n is 5. Okay, 5 man ang length ng array. Diba? So this will print 5. And then comparison is how many times we perform this. Okay? That's the work. Yan yung trabaho ni computer. Okay? Let us just initialize the variable comparison. Yan. Okay? Yan. So run. Okay, there you go. Comparison is 10. So meaning, 10 times daw niya, we compare 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, ang number. Yan. Okay. So, since the answer is 10, 10 ang value ng big O natin. Okay, not 25. Yan. What will it look like sa graph? Okay, graph natin yan. This is our graph. Okay, so this is the time or work, and this is the end. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the number of n we have, or elements. Diba? 5 of elements. Okay, so how much time or work is being consumed? It's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10. So it's right about here. Okay, yan ang graph natin. Yan. Okay, so x squared. This is not 45 degrees. Hindi to 45 degrees ha. Kasi ang kalahati niyan is right about here. Okay, tama? Okay, graphic paper. Okay, ganyan. So, 90 degrees, kalahati niyan is ON. Linear time. Okay. Since this is not 5, kasi pag ang n is 5, dapat 5 din yan. That is ON. 5 ang n, 5 din. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ayan, di ba? 5. Wala na ano line. So 5, 5. Ayan ang sakto. 90 degrees. Up. 45 degrees. Okay, 5. 5, 5. Okay, that is ON. Okay, 5, 5. Higher than that, 5 ang n, 10 ang answer, it's no longer ON. Okay, it's ON squared. ON squared din siya. So this can be 25. Pwede din 25 ang answer ninyo. 10, 20, okay, kali 20. 5. Yan. So, saan na yan? 5, 3. Okay, yan. 25 man. So, pag 5 ang n, 25 ang time, okay, 10 man eh, 25 taas tayo. So, this is ON square. ON square pa rin yan siya. Okay, ON square pa rin yan. Okay, it does not fall under ON. Okay, hindi pa yan siya ON. Ang ON is half. Okay, ON square is higher than that. Okay, so as you can see, that's the how much work is done for bubble sort. Alright? Okay? Now, questions? Let's proceed sa this one is selection. Okay, selection naman. Yan. So, selection, ang bubble is 10. Okay, bubble sort ito 10. Okay, for selection, let's add the counter. So, counter is how much we perform comparison. Okay, ayan. How much we perform comparison. Okay? Ayan. And then, ayan. Okay, so 10. So, same lang, 10. So, si bubble sort, selection sort, 10. Okay, what about insertion? This is insertion. Okay, insertion yan. So, we place the comparison. Okay, dito, greater than key. So, we print. Then, initialize. Ayan. Okay, 9. So, it's closed. So, 9 ang insertion. 9. Okay, what does that tell you? It tells us that insertion is better compared sa bubble and selection. Okay, what if I change this to already sorted? Sorted na. Yan, sorted na. Execute. 0. Okay, so meaning insertion compares better than selection and bubble. Okay, let us check the performance of okay, selection. Selection man ito. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 10. Diba? Nothing changes. It's the same. Sa selection, even if it's the same, kanina, it's already sorted, it's still 10. Of course, sa bubble, 10 din. Pareho lang. So, in this case, we have the worst case. Worst case nila, insertion, selection, bubble. Okay, ang worst case means highest to lowest. Ito yung worst case. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yan ang worst case. Okay. It's still 10. Ayan. Sa insertion, still 10. Okay, 10 lang. Pareho sila lahat 10. Worst case. Okay. So, ang worst case nila lahat is order of n squared. Okay, worst case nila lahat, order of n squared. Ang best case is already sorted. Sorted na ba? Okay? Pag nakasort na daan, it's already sorted, insertion sort fares better, mas better sa selection and bubble. So, ang best case niya is ON. Okay, bakit ON ang insertion sort? Ilan ba yun kanina? Okay. Yung selection sort natin. Selection sort. Okay, selection sort. Insertion sort pala. Insertion sort. Okay, this is insertion sort. Ayan, let us add counter. Okay, ito dapat 10 ito siya kasi unsorted man. Oh, 9. Wala 10, 9. Okay, here's better. Okay, so if this is sorted, 0 yan siya. Okay, wait ha. Dito ko ilagay yung ano ko counter. Wait. Tayo na po compare. Counter. Okay, dito lang dyan. Ito kasi yung may compare eh. This is where we compare values. Okay, dyan yan siya. Same thing. Okay, dyan siya nag-compare ng value. Okay, so if it's already sorted, it's 0. Ayan, so 0 yan. Okay, that's why insertion is better. So it's ON. Okay, ON. So ibig sabihin, if you have 5 elements, okay, it will perform 5 comparisons. Okay, but since this is already sorted, it will not do any comparison. Okay, false naman po siya. So kung sorted na, ayan, 4. Okay, sorted na kasi 4. So ang N natin is 5, ang N natin, ang answer is 4. So that's the time complexity of insertion sort. Best case, it's already sorted. But selection and bubble still stays the same time complexity. O n square pa rin. Okay, ibig sabihin, 10. Okay, 10, it's not 25 because supposed to be 5 times 5. Supposed to be 25. Okay, but it's not close to n. Because n is 5, ang 10, naalang din banda. So it's not ON. Pag naabot ka ON, ON. But selection and bubble sort did not reach ON. So you will consider it as ON squared. Kasi 10 man siya, 10. Okay? Even if it's 9, it's not ON. Because ang n mo is 5, unless naging 5 ito siya. Or less than. Pag less than 5 or 5, you can call this algorithm ON. But it did not reach 5 kasi 10 lang siya or less than that, 9, ON squared. Okay, pero pag nag-5 yan, ON. So in this case, ang insertion, best case if it's sorted is ON because it's less than, okay, N. Okay, so N yan siya, ON. Yan. So our worst case is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Best case is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorted na daan. Okay, ang average case is simply random. Okay, random. Yan, so they are all ON squared. Yan, same lang. Okay, so that's why insertion sort fares better compared sa selection and bubble. Okay? Ayan. So just remember, insertion is ON pag sorted na. Si bubble and selection still performs the same thing even if it's sorted na. Okay? So nothing happens, same performance ang bubble and selection kahit sorted na. Oh, yes. Ang worst case, naka ano na 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 ganun. Ito siya kasi there's a lot of algorithm that is considered in square, hindi lang yung bubble sort, selection. So some of them ako 25. So ano lang siya estimate. Okay? You can make bubble sort even worse kung abot to siya 25. Okay? Kasi may mas worse pa na bubble sa bubble sorting. Ang bubble sort, yun na yun siya, nature niya. But you can make it even worse by not, di ba ito man yung bubble sort? Kasi sa bubble sort, wala na pina-appeal ang na-sort na. Okay? Kung ganito yan, example lang, ito yung 5 times 5 talaga, 25. Okay, yan. Namagot tayo, ani. Okay, kung wala na siya appeal, yan, ang gano'n na itong I. Pag wala na siya, okay, ano talaga yan? Magbalik-balik siya ba? Maski na-read na, balik-balik yapon. So, mag 5 times 5, 25 talaga. Size is 1 minus 1 minus 1. 5 times 5, 25 is 2 minus 1 minus 1. Alright, now the box is 28. And siya, 25. So, if you want to improve bubble sort, syempre there will be conditions. So this one will be repeated 5 times 5. I-repeat ito siya 5 times 5. So 25 na. So yung nature ng bubble sort is not 5 times 5. But it's still ON square. Okay? So basically, pag sinabi mo ON square, there's an inner and outer loop. A statement will be repeated n times n. That is it. N times n na yan. N times n. Okay, ibig sabihin, inner and outer loop. N times n, n squared. So, ganyan na yun. N times n yan siya, di ba? N, repeat n times. So, 25 yung n squared dapat. If there are no changes sa code, yan, ibutangan man siya minus 1 dire, ibutangan man siya minus 1 minus I. So, kung gamay pa ang 25. So they can improve the code so that hindi siya maabot ng 25. Okay, kung 25 na, mas worse pa dun siya sa bubble sort. Okay, so hindi na siya dapat paabot ng 25. Okay, so, okay, let's proceed sa merge sort. Okay, yung last meeting's topic natin. Okay, merge sort. Yan. Okay, merge sort. Yan. Okay, so merge sort is, given a time complexity of n log n. Okay, we're going to prove that kasi we need to prove why n log n ang merge sort. So yung bubble insertion selection is n squared. Unless insertion, best case. That's it. ON. Okay, sa insertion. What about bubble sort? Merge sort. Okay, for merge sort, we have this array, for example. Okay, review natin ang merge sort. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yan. Okay, so we have numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8. Okay, our n is equals to 8. Okay, 8 ang n natin. We're going to do merge sort. So this is supposed to be order of n times log n. Okay, our log here is base 2. Base 2 yung log natin. Pag sinabi yung base 2 ang log, you divide this array into 2. Pag base 3 yan, you divide this into 3. Okay? Since this is binary search, we're going to divide it by 2. Okay? Binary man yan siya. Yan, so divide 2 yan. Okay. So what we will do here is, okay, this is a short algorithm. Not the C code, hindi ko C code. Merge sort. Okay, we're going to compare the upper bound, lower bound, upper bound. Okay, upper bound. So this is the lower bound, the first element. Upper bound is 7. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So L is 0 and U is 7. Okay? So what do we do with L and U? Yan, we compare. If lower bound is less than upper bound. Okay, why? This is recursion. We're going to stop the recursion if there is only one element remaining, pag isa na lang. Because we're going to divide this one into 2 until there is only one number left. That's the time we stop dividing and perform a merge. That's why it is called a merge sort. Okay? So we compare if there is a lower bound and that index is less than upper bound. Kung ang lower bound and upper bound are both the same number, 0, false yan. We end the recursion. Okay? And then next, we get the mid. Yan. Mid is lower bound plus upper bound divided by 2. So, this is 8. Half is ito. Ito yung half. Yan. Okay, yan yung half natin. Mid. L plus U divided by 2. Okay. So, next we're going to call this subroutine, merge sort. So, it will call itself. Okay, call na niya yung sarili niya. So, we have lower bound and mid. Itong L, same thing, but U becomes mid. Once you call this one, the value of L is 0. The value of U becomes ilan? 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3. Okay, yun ang value na, yung mid. Okay? So, ang result niya ngayon is a new list of elements. 4, 6, 2, 8. Okay? So, once you call this function, we have an array with 4, 6, 2, 8. Okay? But this array does not exist. Okay, it's only indexes. Indexes lang ha. So we don't have an actual array with 4, 6 to 8. We just have an index from L to mid. 0 to 3, 0, 1 to 3. Yun lang. Okay? So list lang yan siya ng indexes. Okay. So next is, once you have this statement inside merge sort, merge sort ka inside merge sort, that is a recursion. So you're going to call the same method or procedure again. So this is 0 and then 3. Okay, what do you do next? 0 is less than 3, yes, you perform a mid. So i-mid mo na naman yan. Mid mo na naman yan. And then, call this again. Siya na naman. Okay, what is the new value of L and mid? So this is 0 and 1. Okay, and na yun. 0 and 1. So you call this again, this is 0 and 1. Okay? 0 is less than 1. Hindi pa kasi isang element. Dalawang element yan. You proceed with the mid. So ang mid ngayon, dito sa gitna. You call this again. Okay? So, this is now L mid 0, 0. So we have 4. Okay, 4. Yan. So, pag return mo sa merge, i-call mo kasi yung merge, this is 0, 0. 0 is less than 0. You stop executing any statements after this. Okay, wala na. You don't do anything. Once you do that, you terminated the previous, the current instance of where you called merge sort. Okay, ito siya. Ito kanina, this is, okay, this is, select one. This is merge sort 0, 3. Okay, and this one merge sort 0, 1. And then ito naman merge sort 0, 0. Okay, so meaning you call this 3 times. 3 beses mo ito i-call. Diba? Okay. After calling this, what happens next? Okay, mubalik na siya. Umato siya sa next statement. So, pag nakumana niya siya, i-calling mo din, na-terminate din, i-calling mo din, nakumana siya, mag-proceed siya sa next line. Okay? What's in the next line? Another merge sort. But this time, it's mid plus 1 upper bound. Okay, upper bound. Yan. Okay. So, this is merge 0, 0. Diba? 0, 0 yan kanina. 0, 0. Okay. Pag call mo dyan, 0, 0, false, stop executing, tapos na siya, 0, 0, proceed siya sa next statement, which is mid plus 1. Okay, what is mid plus 1? Ito yung mid natin, 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, 2, upper bound. Okay, upper bound is 6. So this is 6. Okay? Yan. And then, once done na yan siya, this is, 1, 1, 1. Okay, kasi mid is 1, U is 1. So, 1, 1. So, 1 is not less than 1. So, meaning, this statement, merge sort 1, 1. Ito yun. 1, 1. So, pag 1, 1 mo dyan, false, tapos na ito. Done na yan. So, what do we need to do next? Done na ito, done na yan, and this one is basically done. 0, 1. Nag-0, 1 tayo kanina dito, 0, 1. Okay? Di ba kanina nag-0, 1 tayo? Ayan, 0, 1. So, 0, 1 is done. Proceed siya sa next. Okay. So, ano ang next niya? Ito yon, next. What is the next? The mid plus 1. Ano yung mid natin dito? 0, 1. So, 2. 2 and 3. So, this is 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Yung dalawa. Ito yon, the mid plus 1 and U. Okay? Yan. So, you call this, you assign 2 and 3. Okay? Dito. And then it will keep on doing that. Yan, it will keep on doing. So the result will be, okay, erase ko na yan ha. So basically, na may idea. This is merge sort. So we now have 2A, and then this one is 1753. Okay, the version only. This is 17. This is 53. This is 1, 7. This is 5. This is 3. Yan ang result. It's a binary tree. Okay, so once this is all done, tapos na yan lahat, nagawa niya na yan, lastly, we perform a merge. So, ang merge natin is lower bound plus mid plus upper bound. Okay. So, what happens during merge? Yan. So, we have these two. Diba, tapos na yan. Merge yung last. Ito yung last. We're going to merge the two array. Array A and array B. Ito yung gagawin dito sa merge. So, you're going to merge A and B. You compare which one is larger. So, the resulting is an array where the smallest is in the front, nasa right yung larger. So, ito yung answer. Okay? 2 and 8, 1, 7, 3 and 5. So, 5 and 3, compare. Larger si 3, swap, it becomes 5. Okay, so next is, this is array A and array B. We're going to merge, ito, merge. Yan. So, merge array A and B. So, this is array B. So, we have a temporary array called C. Array C contains 4 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yan. Okay, so we have I and then J. Yan, I and J. So, 4 compares sa 2. Which one is smaller? 2. Lagyan 2 sa C. Increment J. Diyan na si J. Okay, experiment. 4 and 8. Smaller si 4. Increment I. Okay. So now 6 and 8. 6. I has nowhere to increment. So when that happens, you just get the value 8, lagay mo si 8 dyan. Yan. So this is the new value. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. We just sorted these two arrays. Okay, ganun yan. Same with this one. Yan. So this is 1, 7, 1, 3, 1, 3, 5, 7. Yan. Okay. So we now have a new array A and array B. Array A, array B. Sort natin. How many elements yung array C ngayon? This is array C. Ito na yung array C natin. Array C contains this plus this. So 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yan. Okay, ang I, this is J. Compare I and J. 1 is smaller. Lagay si 1 sa, increment J. Okay, smaller si 2. Increment I. Okay, smaller si 3. Increment J. Okay, si 3 dyan sa RC. Okay, smaller si 4. Increment I. Lagay si 4 dyan. Smaller si 5. Increment J. Lagay si J dyan. Si 5. Smaller si 6. Increment I. Lagay si dyan. Okay. Smaller si 7. Nowhere to increment. Diba? Wala na. Just copy this value. Lagay dyan. So, yan na ang answer natin sa C. So, that is our sorted list. Okay? Yan. So, question now is, how much work is being done? So, the time complexity for merge sort is order of n times log n. Yan ang time complexity niya. Okay. First, let us first n. Ito muna n. N is the number of elements. 8. 8. Diba? 8 yan. Okay. Okay. Log n is 8. 8 itong n dito. There's an n here. 8 yan. And then the log here is log base 2. So what is the answer of this? Yan. What's the number? Let's use a calculator. Okay, naman muna yung log-log. Log-log lang. So I will use scientific calculator. Yan. Okay, klaro na. Yan. So log n. So ang log natin is base 2. Ang n is 8. So that is n 8 log. Okay, 8 log, that is 8 log divided by 2 log equals, okay, it's 3. Yan. So this is equals to 3. So we have 8 times this, which is 3. Okay. So we will multiply this to 3, it's 24. 3 times 8. Yan, 24. Okay. So this is 24. Yan. So what is now? Okay, where is it now? 20. Taas pa, di ba? Okay, taas pa siya sa ano natin kanina. So 24. Ano man yung kanina? 25. 25 na yun. Ito, 25. So this is 25, 5. Okay, 25, 5 yan. 25, tapos x pala. Yun na yung x, no? X and y kasi. So 25, 25. Okay, 5, ito yung una x. Tapos yung y natin, ito man yung y, ito yung x. So 5, 25. Okay, this is n square. N square ito, di ba? 525. Okay, this is n log n. Yung n log n natin is 24. Gamay pa. Gamay pa siya. Okay, this is 5. 8 pala, sorry. 8. So, pala natin. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8. Around here. Okay. Okay, 24. Okay, tama. Abot pa. Ganyan. Okay, so that is 824. Kasi 24 yung ating y, yung x natin is 8. That is how many n we have. Okay, so that is O n log n. So, okay? Yan. So where is 8 here? Asan ang 8 dito? Asan ang log n dyan? Okay. So ang 8 dito is number of merges. Okay. Ang 8 dito, we merge this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We merge it 7 times. Diba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? Yun yung 8 yun yung n natin. N here is number of merges. Okay? Yan. Yung log n is number or height of the tree. Okay? Meaning, how many times we perform the divide 2. Diba? Meron tayo nito. Divide 2. So, you divide it by 2, 1, 2, okay, 1, 2, and then 3. Ito, tatlo. So, that's the height of the tree. 1, 2, 3. So, log n is 3. So, yung 3 dyan is the height of the tree. How many times you perform the division sa array? So, 1, 2, 3. So 3 times mo divide. Okay. And then we have n. So yung n natin, how many times ka nag-merge? So 7. Okay? So 7 times 3. Okay? 7 times, you're going to do 7 times every time you perform a division. Okay? That is our log n. Okay, you're going to do that. Kung 8 elements, 8 or 7, it's close enough. Okay, close enough. Does not have to be exact as long as it's close. Kasi ang elements natin is 8. Okay, so we have here the code. Okay, sa code naman tayo. So we have here the merge sort. Okay, taas-taas ang merge sort. Okay, this is the merge sort. Okay. Okay, this is our merge sort. Okay, ito na tayo. Ayan, this one. Wait. Okay, maka-adjust. Okay, dito na tayo. Diyan. So, this is my example sa whiteboard. Okay, yung example ko kanina. Okay, yan, di ba? So, we have merge sort, and then merge. Okay, except for this one, kaya hindi ano niya, absolute value. Kaya naman yung mga right and left upper bound na booking. So, kung dili, 8 elements, booking. Yan, so, kung yung absolute value. And then we have merge, and merge sort, recursion, and then merge. Merge is right here. Yan, merge. Okay? Yan, let's look into the merge. There's a merge. Sa merge natin, i-merge natin ang 4 and 6. Compare. Same with what happens here, 5 and 3. Ang 3 nilagay dyan, ang 5 nilagay doon because the lower number first to higher. Okay, when merging, it must be sorted already. Okay, so what we did here, okay, ito muna dito. Okay, what is this iteration? So we have 2 iterations here. So the first iteration, this one, is, okay, left array. So we have 2 arrays. In my example, dahil isa lang kasi example ko, we have C1 and C2. Okay, C1. So this is, tama pala, A and B. A and B. Ito yun, array A, array B. Okay? So that is left array and right array. Okay? Yan. So we have left array and then right array. Okay? So dalawa kasi yung array natin. So it will look like this. Left array and then right array. Okay? Dalawa. Yan. So yung first iteration, that one, the one is highlighted, it will arrange the values here. Okay, this is array A. Ito yung array A and array B. Okay? I-sort na yan. Okay, so it will look for values. I-compare niya sa okay, this is the left array. Yan. So it will compare here with I and J. So this is I. Ito yung I. Ito yung I. Ito yung I. Ito yung J. Yan, J. So, compare I and J. Which one is smaller? Assign it sa array. Okay? Yan. So, compare which one is smaller. Assign sa array. Yan, the left and right. Okay, so yun yung I and J. So, array left. Ito yung array sa left. Ito yung array sa right. If it's less than or equal, you place it. Isa lang. Ito na yung array C natin. Array. Lagay niya sa array. Okay, otherwise, this one, if the left array is larger, smaller pala, 4, ilagay mo yung 4 dyan. If this one is smaller, lagay mo yung 2 dyan. Okay, smaller, lagay ang smaller, lagay ang smaller. Okay, array. So the value of this array is, ito na. Ito na yun. Yan na yun. That's the array. Okay, array. And then we have, yan, you just assign the left and right. Okay, these two statements, yung dalawang while loop, is in case, if you're going to compare, like what happens before, what if taas pa rin siya kaayo? Napa ni, ito na lang. Ito na lang. Napa ni siya yung 9 and 10. Okay, what if may 9 and 10 yan? So if you're going to merge array A and array B, anong mangyayari? So 1, tapos ito 2, tapos 3, tapos 4. Ayan, 4. Tapos 5, tapos 6, ito, tapos 7. So 7, itong array A, nakapay tulong ka number. Pag 6 ka, 7, 6 di 8, tapos 7. So, kumana si array B, si array A, napay tulong ka number. So, what are you going to do with this 3 number? You copy it. 8, 9, 10. You don't compare it with array B anymore. Okay, that's these two statements. You place all of those remaining array sa left or right sa array. Okay, naapamay na ibilin. Okay, naapay na ibilin ba? Okay, the statement. Yan. Okay, so if I run this one, yan, sorted. Yan, sort na yan. Okay, now let us count the word. Okay, how much word? So let us add a counter. So, initialize. Ayun, initialize na. Okay, we need to add a counter. Yan. So we add a counter sa how much we perform a comparison. How much we compare the left and right. Okay, how much we compare. So we're only going to compare, ito. This is the part where we perform comparing 4 and 6, 2 and 8, 5 and 3. Since 5 is greater than, we swap. But we still compare 4 and 6, 2 and 8. That's work. Trabaho yan, di ba? 4 and 6, i-compare. Yan ang trabaho ng computer, mag-compare. So that is work. Plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. Yan yun. Okay, we're comparing values. So every time it performs a comparison, we add a counter. Okay, counter yan, comparison. Okay, yan, counter yan siya. And then, so this will return, how much comparison for every recursion. Okay, so let's try printing this one. So, i-print natin yung comparisons. Okay, ayan. So, we have 14 comparisons. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then how many times we perform recursion? Okay, that's 14. So, this is how much work is being done. Okay, 14 14. Ayan. So, how much? Okay, how much merge? Pila ka buo ka merge? How many times did you call merge? Yan. Okay, how many times did we call merge? 6. Okay? So, 1. 1. Ito, 1. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, pag and ani, okay, 6. Comparison. Okay, 6. Okay, left and right. Kung diri na siya, nag-0 naman yung kanina. Yan, 13. So, dapat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, false naman diri. So, pagkaning 6. Sorry. 6 up. 0 din ay 0, dapat 1. So, 1. Okay, pag ano niya dire, plus 1, 1. Tama. Okay, 6. So, 6 times na i-call ang cursor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tama, 6, di ba? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 times i-call ang merge. Okay, so the height of the tree is, i-divide mo ito siya by 2. Okay? Ha? Asa? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lang din. Ay, wala ito isa. 8 mga ito ang nasa whiteboard. Wala ito isa. 1. Okay, 7. Tama na, 7. So, 7. Okay. So, that is our n. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Yan. So, that is our n. Okay. So, and then, 7, 1, 2. Ito yung merge. Ito yung merge natin. So, i-divide pa natin ito siya by 2. 7. Okay, 3. So that is how many, that's the height of the tree. Okay, ito siya is how many times we perform recursions. Okay? 7. Ito yung height ng tree. 3. Okay? And then, we can multiply this one with how many comparisons? Okay? Yung how many comparisons natin is yung kanina. Okay, yung nilagay ko dito yung comparison. Yan, comparison natin. So, this is where we perform comparison. Yan. So, 3. And then, 17. Okay? So, 8 lang siya. 8. Kasi 8 lang tayo times mag-compare. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Isa-isa din niya. Okay. So, 8 is our n. Yan. So, n. Okay, yun yung ating comparisons. So, this one. Okay, how many times did we compare? Yan, 7. Okay. So, 7 times tayo nag-compare. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then multiply that with 3. Okay, so that's 7 times 3. So it still falls under n log n. N log n pa rin siya. Okay? So yung log n natin is 3. That's the height of the tree. And then n is how many times we perform comparison, which is 7. Okay, ayan, 7. Okay? So it's still under and lagin pa rin kasi mas gamay. So bird sword, quick sword are all and lagin. Lahat sila and lagin. Every time you perform reversion. Okay? Yes. Ang ON login, ito man yung ON square natin. Okay? Yung ano natin, ito yung ON square, 25. This is 25. Dito 25, 5. Diba? 5, 25. O and square. Ito yun, 5, 25. Okay. Sa ano natin is 8. Diba? 8 yan. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tapos 24. Mas gamay. Okay? So, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, dito yan siya. Ayan. Okay? Mas gamay siya. Ito, 25 man yung n log n square. N log n, 24 sa 8. Okay? Ayan. So, nakadiri banda, okay, tama? 8, 24, 5, 25. Okay, mas gamay siya. Okay, so mas gamay ang word being done, or bird sword, quick sword, okay, mga ganyan. Alright, so attendance tayo before you go. So make sure you are present at the meeting kasi graded ang attendance. Okay, importante nag-attend to the klase. Okay, Aguilar, Alcontin, Alip, Anyasco, 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 ano nangyari? Arinyo, Bulataw, Kabato, Campos, Don, Yatang, Leroy, Estanzo, Pugata, wala.